Well, you only need to look at the history books to see how close this fixture historically has been. Barcelona at home against Real Madrid on this occasion. I'm Derek Ray. Sitting alongside me here on the gantry is Stuart Robson. And Stuart, this ought to be special.
Well, Derek, this is a magnificent setting for a great rivalry. Let's just hope we see both teams play at their very best today. What an occasion this should be.
Well, the mere mention of the name Robert Lewandowski can have the effect of striking fear in opposing defences. What do you expect to see from him today, Stuart?
Well, Derek, he's the perfect finisher. He's got a great shot in him, his movement is excellent, and in 1v1 situations, you always expect him to score.
And it might be, and a fine stop. And there's the delivery. Well, capable of better. Koundé. Has a go. Determined defending. Very much run-of-the-mill as saves go. And the Barcelona shape looks like this. Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal. Frenkie de Jong plays alongside İlkay Gündoğan in central midfield. And leading the attack today is Robert Lewandowski. Great opportunity. Full marks to the keeper.
Well, what a reaction from the goalkeeper. Such a good save in the end.
Who can he pick out? And still dangerous. Just the challenge that was required. And Bellingham. Nice weight on the pass. Well, as he hit that one, it looked as though it had a chance. And the starting players for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois is the keeper of choice. Carvajal starts with Ferland Mendy in the fullback positions. Federico Valverde plays alongside Jude Bellingham in the centre of midfield. And it's two strikers up front who will look to provide the goal-scoring threat. Doesn't want to give it away here. Rudiger. Well, he took care of it defensively. An encouraging move from Barca. Oh, big chance! And a goal! 1-0 it is! They've been pushing for the opener, and now they have it!
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. He skips past his marker, and that gives him the space to get his shot away. Excellent stuff from him.
So Real restart the game. Disappointed to have conceded. Can they find an equaliser? Rodrigo. Here's Valverde. And Real's creative tendencies coming to the fore. Danger averted for now. And over it comes. Well, not the best clearance. Vinicius. On to Valverde. Well, this could really help the cause. Well, he's just spooned it over the top. Mendy. Vinicius. Oh, they have it again. Barca know it's a sector of the pitch devoid of defenders. And Lewandowski in the thick of things. And they couldn't quite muster a real threat. Bellingham. Aurelien Tchouameni. Tchouameni. Well, he's certainly not alone. Perfect tackle. Clear foul, but a Real Madrid advantage. And possession lost by Real Madrid. Joao Felix. Well, there was impending danger, but good defending. Vinicius Junior. Real chance. And it's got to be. And still danger here. And problem solved for now. Gundogan. They've ceded possession, Barca. So plenty of forward momentum from Real Madrid here. Jude Bellingham. Valverde. Very effective pass. Oh, couldn't pull them level.
Well, they certainly should be level. That was a great opportunity to score.
Oriol Romeu. Well, on the cusp of the interval and Barca in front. Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, they've worked hard and played well to be in front here, but they now need to keep their focus as we approach half-time.
Oh, managing to beat him. Oh, really good reflexes and danger averted. And Barcelona get ready for their set-piece routine, hoping to increase their lead. Not quite spot on with that one. Gundogan. That's a useful cross. What a lovely strike! Lethal piece of finishing. Drilled home with true conviction. Tremendous goal.
Well, here it is again, and what a perfect cross into the box this is. Just inviting someone to attack it, and from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
That is that for the first half here. So the ball rolling again, and Real left with a real mountain to climb in the second half. And Bellingham. Now the attack fizzled out. Well, they might be able to launch a counter-attack. Lewandowski. Felix. Well, sitting deep and just trying to form a really coherent block. Intercepting it intelligently. Eduardo Camavinga. And teammates around him. And let's give credit to the defending. Joao Felix. Gundogan! Oh yes! It's gone in! And now a chance for them to revel in the moment.
Well, this is a brilliant strike, as you can see. He hits it with so much power. The keeper had no chance. Fantastic finish.
So on with the game here. Barcelona on top, and it's turning into something of a trouncing. Showing a real will to win the ball. Vinicius. Could be. And a goal this time. Applying the finishing touch. Just what the doctor ordered.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And he makes no mistake with the finish. He showed a lot of composure there.
Frankie de Jong. Jules Koundé on the ball. It's a fine piece of attacking play from Lewandowski. And he has teammates to give it to. The supporters want to see him have a go. Oh, fine stop. Well, Real Madrid are going to make the change now. Played over. Not quite the clearance they were hoping for. Able to deal with the threat. And Bellingham. Could cross it in here. Oh, that's a really good run. Well, sadly, too straight to worry the goalkeeper that time. Lewandowski. Here's Rafinha. Happy to take on the shot. Corner for Barcelona. And there's the delivery. And in! Oh, yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal.
Well, here's another look at it. Certainly delivery into the box couldn't have been any better, which makes it a fairly simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
Good work from Barcelona to win it back. And into the last 20 minutes. Now the quick counter-attack could be on. Well, a disappointing end to that break. Lewandowski. Now with Gundogan. And it's opening up. Oh, a strong hand on the ball. And Barca's corner. Now sending it in. Well, it might still work out for them. But it just petered out. Camavinga. "15 minutes left for play." Well, they have the ball once more. Bellingham. Oh, managing to beat him. The defender doing his job. Sound piece of goalkeeping. Lewandowski. Racing forward, trying to catch them out. Really annoying for them. Couldn't take advantage. Nice looking move. Corner for Real Madrid. Substitution for Real Madrid. He's driven in the corner. Well, as a defender, that will sit you down to the ground. Body on the line. Delivering it. And swept out of there. Going well. But a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Well, only minutes remaining now, and Barcelona with a commanding lead. Stuart, how would you assess their performance overall?
Well, what can you say about this performance? They've been absolutely brilliant. They've played with such guile and creativity, and their passing has been so expansive. Not many teams would have stopped them today.
Vinicius! And there it is, a goal. But will it be purely a consolation at this stage of the proceedings? They haven't been at their best. So the current scoreline, 4-2.
Vinicius.
De Jong. And the electronic board delivers the news. 2 minutes of stoppage time. Koundé. Possession one. And considerable space afforded Real Madrid. That ball was put into the right area, but no one able to capitalise. Diaz. And thwarting his opponent in the nick of time. And that is that. The final whistle is sounded, and it's a victory for Barcelona. What did you make of their performance?
Well, Derek, they were better than...